Legal Department.
Hello, I'm just calling about the elders at the Barton upon Humber Kingdom Hall.
Okay.
Who's the ones that well, they actually advised, they actually told me on the phone that they rang the legal department to get advice because I sent them a card, and basically they had me arrested.
Okay, who can I say speaking, please?
You know who it is? It's Jehovah God Almighty. And I'm not joking. By the way, when I sent emails off to the governing body, 2 hours 40 minutes, there was a blood moon, and I've just confirmed it's supernatural. Right, it's been recorded. Right, why would you get a blood moon, brother, 2 hours 40 minutes after I sent 24 emails to the helpers of the governing body and 6 members of the governing body? Why would there be a blood moon in the south, brother? To the left of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall, Jehovah's Temple at Jerusalem, and 2.9 miles away is a hamlet without a church called Jerusalem, and the only place in the UK called Jerusalem. Now, do you really think I'm joking? I'm not Jehovah.
Okay, so have you got any questions?
Brother, write down, do me a favour, just do this. Write down Jehovah and then write down JEHOVAH, my name, HACCHEJ. Now move the CC up into the position of the OV of Jehovah. Read it backwards and it reads #J. So me and Jehovah's name are interchangeable. How'd you like that? Revelation chapter 3, I will write upon him the name of my God, and the name of my city, New Jerusalem. In Jerusalem, you've got James and Sam, which is my wife's name. Now, what do you think to that, brother? Is that not outstanding? That's just a tip of the iceberg, what the information I hold. And I've now infiltrated all the email system of Watchtower, and I know everybody's email system. And now emails are going out to the brothers and sisters about when Jerusalem fell, which it wasn't 607. I've got new information from Zechariah 7 and everything that destroys the Watchtower.
Okay.
And brother,
it doesn't seem like you have anything.
So you are scared then. You do know I'm Jehovah. You do recognise. So what do you think about a blood moon, brother, after I contact the governing body members and 24 helpers?
Yeah,
what?
Not much.
You don't think to a blood moon, Joel 2:30, when it says I will show wonders in the heavens?
Okay. Well, thank you for your call.
You're stuffed, brother, because you're being recorded, by the way, and I'm coming after you. How'd you like that?
Thank you for your call. I'll be ending this now. Bye-bye.
Yeah, sure you will. You're a paedophile. There we go. This is a stupidity of the elders. Brilliant. Hey! Watchtower go down in October, hopefully. 3rd of October.